Why make the switch to lights?
Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back here to Trade Africa. This is Thursday evening. This is the last day of our week. This is the last session for this week, traders. Anthony here is almost 9:30 or 9:29 p.m. Eastern Time, traders. It's my pleasure to be here, and a lot of sacrifices because, as you can see, I'm not feeling good, but I'm here anyway because I want to, respect our program. So today is our last day. Yesterday was nice, and I feel green, so very grateful. Let's see what the market is going to give us today, ladies and gentlemen. The market already moved. we are now on a downtrend of certain things or certain pairs. So let's see what we're gonna get today, ladies and gentlemen. Before we jump to that, let's now trader welcome those in French because our channel is bilingual. Mesdames, mademoiselles, messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et très heureux d'être ici ce dernier jour, ce jeudi. Il est 21h passé de 30 minutes, le temps de New York, et je suis très content d'être ici, une fois de plus. Alors, j'ai fait les efforts d'être là, malgré ma santé, mais j'espère que ça va aller. Alors, je suis très heureux de respecter ce programme que nous avons pu tracer. Donc, nous allons voir ce que le marché va nous donner aujourd'hui. Comme nous voyons ici, toute la journée, nous avons eu la montée, mais nous voyons déjà un compte rouge. Là, comme nous voyons la descente. Trader, we had a green candle yesterday after yesterday night chill. Today, and now we have a small pullback of a red candle. So let's go now, because it's difficult to know exactly where we're going. We're going high and high low, high and high low. Now we hit here with high. Now we're getting the high low. That is the red candle. So we're going to see. We have a small red candle after two green candles. Sorry about that, traders. Let me now go to our 5 minute here. We are on the support. 5 minute support, and our technical analysis are above. Traders. All our technical analysis above. We are on the support area. Traders. So let's see what we can get from here. Or going to, it look like the market is going down. We might see a breakdown here, a continuation. Yep, like we see now, breakdown and continuation, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. Breakdown continuation, but we will not surprise us to see a rejection, because sometimes the breakdown doesn't break once, sometimes there's a rejection. So let's see. We are below our 20 EMA and the 150 SMA. So let's see, traders. Watching. We saw a rejection. On va voir. Hi Musa, how you doing, man? I just tuned in right now. Thank you. So let's see, we have a breakdown, rejection. GBP pair. I don't know if you want to hold it or it's just an intraday trade. You have to specify, Musa. You have to specify whether it's a intraday trade or it's just a stream trade. You want to hold it for days, or you want to, it's something we need to know. your plan, your strategy. Because here we are doing an intraday trade. That is what we're doing here. So we don't know what you're looking for. So now we're having lower, 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 high, lower, 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 high, lower, lower. So I'm going to wait to see a lower high before I go short. Traders, I need to see the lower high. Yeah, if it break, I want to see a lower high before I involve on the trade. You know, so very, very important. Okay, intraday. This is the overall is for the downtrend. Yeah, Musa. Overall, chart. You know, the direction is the downtrend. For me, we could have looked at this market on the downtrend because we had on the daily chart, we had a lower, 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 high. I mean, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, and now we reject it on the daily chart. We started getting the higher, lower. So for me today, I'm not saying that I'm right. This is not what I'm saying, but I'm just saying that I may prefer watching this market for the downtrend, you know, because the time also, we're already almost at 10. So 10, almost we're approaching 10. I may be a little bit skeptical to take this market at the long. I'm not saying that we cannot have a long, but it's better to follow the pattern, the chart pattern we're having here. Now we had a lower, lower. We have a big high here. We came down to the lower. We have a small high, and now we're getting the lower. I could have preferred to wait for this trade to make the lower high, and then continue to take it for the lower, lower. You know, that is my personal opinion. I'm not saying that I'm right. You know, each person can do whatever he wants because we have two eyes. Everybody, you know, everybody have two eyes. So you might analyze it as you. I might be wrong. I used to be wrong most of the time. You know, so that is my point. Instead to take it for long, I prefer to wait. I see the rebounds for the high here, but it doesn't mean that somebody cannot take it for that rebounds. But my point is that we are below all the technical analysis. So we are bearish. We're in the bearish market. When we see here, we have all our technical analysis above. We have 150 above, 50 simple moving average above, 200 moving average above. We have a 20 moving average above, like you can see here. All our technical analysis, all those four pairs have technical analysis above. Since I'm trading based off the patterns and I need data, I need to have reason why I'm taking a trade, because I have to write it down to help me in the future. I prefer, since all my technical analysis are up, I prefer to follow the market. It's telling me that this market is going down. So I have to follow what my technical analysis are telling me. Otherwise, why did I have those technical analysis? Why? If I can't respect them. So to me, it doesn't make sense. That is what I can answer you by telling you that. You may be right that it's going up, but for me, I prefer to follow my technical analysis, and that will help me to keep data. You know, I need a reason. I told the last 3 times here that we shouldn't place a trade randomly. Yes, randomly. Randomly means what? Because you see a trade just on the support, you just take it. You see on the resistance, you just take it. We need to analyze, have reason why we're taking a trade. You know, that is the difference between a professional trader and an amateur. You know, An amateur trader jump on a trade because he saw support and resistance. He doesn't calculate. He doesn't know why he's taking. He just see, oh, this is a support, this is a resistance. He jump on it. But as a professional, we need to know why we're taking a trade. We can explain somewhat. We can explain. Somebody asks you, why did you take this trade? Don't just say because it's on the support. Yes, it's on the support, and so what? It's not all the trade on the support that you have to jump on it. Trade might be on the support, what I want to break, or you want to do something else. So that is my analysis, I hope it will help. Je disais que les trades, comme nous voyons, parce que Moussa m'a posé une question, si le GBP est sur l'achat. Je lui ai dit que oui, certainement ça peut être, mais je ne suis pas sûr. Mais pour moi, je regarde ce marché à la descente. Pourquoi? Parce que tous mes analyses techniques sont au-dessus, je vous l'ai dit. Voilà, sont au-dessus. Donc, ça m'amène à comprendre que le marché est en train de descendre. Alors, si le marché est en train de descendre, pourquoi acheter sur un marché qui est en train de descendre? Alors que mes analyses techniques me montrent le marché est en train de descendre. C'est pour ça que je les ai. Donc, je les suis. Et puisqu'il faudra que je trade par rapport à ces analyses techniques. Donc, c'est pour cette raison que je dis je regarde le marché vers la descente. We see some kind of retest. We see now a lower high, but high is not big. Let's see. So here I could have checked to see if I can gotta wait to see a break continuation, especially on the GBP and US Japanese. I need to see a continuation down so that I may enter this trade and place my stop above here. So let's see. because I don't understand your question. Can you be more explicit with your question, please? So we're approaching now the 20 EMA. Let's see. I'm going to see how to enter this trade for the short from here and place my stop above, traders. That is what I want to do here. I'm taking this trade for the short, traders. I'm taking all this trade for the short. I'm not sure, but I'm just trying to see. And I have to place my stop above here. My stop gotta be above. If I lose, I'll be losing. So because of my place my stop above, traders. Let's see if we're gonna get it. I'm already on the short, ladies and gentlemen. For trade, for short. I'm on the trade. Short. For trade for short, ladies and gentlemen, and I need to place my target. Because sometimes when I answer questions a lot, I miss my target. I don't enter the trade sometimes. You know. You guys have to ask specific questions which I can understand easily. You know, and answer you. I'm happy to answer your questions, but I need to add them a little bit better for me to answer. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm on for trade for short. Let's see if I can get it. Watching for short, for trade. We're Japanese, it's not Japanese, or Japanese. Great, we're getting it. Great. Great. Let's wait and see. And get more on those traders. Watching traders, the short, for trade for the short. Let's see if you're gonna get it. We're on the short for trade. US Japanese, Euro Japanese, Australia Japanese, and GBP Japanese for short. Watching. Those are my target. I can readjust my stop here already. Take it a little bit lower. So I reduce my stop at that level. I'm waiting to see. I reduce my stop here again. This one as well. So let's see. Let's see, traders. We might see a rebound there. Watching. watching, traders. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure if you, a Japanese, can break here. I've been trying to get out of those trade because I see it look like it's not. We're not going to get it, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to be patient a little bit and see if you can get the downtrend. I'm trying to wait and see. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that they're going to break the 100 150 40 something. It might do it, but you know, I'm not sure. But let's see. I'm readjusting my stop again. I readjust my stop again, traders. Readjust my stop again. This is my first trade, which I'm supposed to not losing. Traders, good trade. As you can see, coming down. I will start getting out here. I don't know, because it's my first trade, traders. Okay, that was a beautiful trade. I was still running my target, but I prefer to get out here, traders. That was a very beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't wait. I'm still having that problem. I need to sorry, I'm still having that problem to run my trade, traders. I need to start keeping data. Yep. I'm still having that problem. Let's see, trader. That was my first trade. Ça, ça a été mon premier trade qui a été très bien. Très bien joué. Voilà. Donc, we see that 150, 475, 150, 470 something. 475 is maybe somewhere here. But you see that it didn't break there yet. Okay, 475 here at the bottom. It may do that, but I'm not sure. You know, I'm an intraday trader. I'm an intraday trader. I can't predict trade like a swimmer at this time. I used to swim. I have my swimming account. But what I don't want to do is that I'm not, you know, when I'm day trading, I don't predict a trade that is going to break here, because I need to enter and get out, entering and getting out. You know, I'm like a scalper, you know, intraday trader, a scalper. I'm a scalper, so I enter and I get out. I enter and I get out. It's difficult to predict the trade, which may be going to happen next hour or next 2 hours. You might do it, but That is not my goal right now. Maybe if you ask me a question about maybe 100 and something, 30 something, or 70 something, I may give you the answer maybe. So we have lower, lower, and lower high, which was good. Lower, lower, and lower high was very nice. Our lower, lower, and lower high, it worked perfectly below the overall. It was right. Two green, one red, one red. So that was a very nice trade, traders. I took 4 trades at the same time, and those 4 trades worked perfectly. I'm happy with that. They're even enough for me this evening. This is the last day, so you shouldn't overstay your welcome. This is the last day of the week. When I make money like this one, I need to preserve that money. Otherwise, I'm going to give back. Yes, that is how it works. And the last thing I want to do is to give my money back. I'm writing my sheet, traders. I told you that you need to write a sheet, Watching, trader. So trader, we need to, we need to be careful. As I said, trade patterns are also very, very important. We need to pay attention on trade patterns. It's true that you can, as I was saying, you might be on the support area. You see, we were here on the big support. Many people took this trade for long because we're on the support. This was line, support line. Many people took it for long. Many people took it for long, and that was the same question one of our, correspondent. If you can see that, one of our guys were asking if we see this trade for long. My answer was that yes, I can see it on the long because it's on the support area, but that is not the only technical analysis we need to look at it when we want to take a trade. We need also to see the overall market. We need to see our technical analysis. And those are the technical analysis: 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 200 EMA, and 150 EMA, SMA, 50 SMA. So those are technical analysis which also can combine to help us take a decision. So based on those technical analysis, it helped me to take a decision to go short. And that is what I did. And it worked. So what can we conclude? We conclude that you need to combine all your technical analysis, even though you see the trade on the support, but you need to combine them with many technical analysis. For example, sorry, I don't know why my okay, sometimes my microphone turn off. My microphone is mute. I don't know, maybe because it's close to me. When it's too close to me, sometimes it turn off without knowing. Okay, sorry. I was saying that, if I can repeat myself, I was saying that what can we take away from the trade we place? What we can take away from this trade is that sometimes when you have to take a decision about a trade. It's true, we have been taught that when you see a trade on the support, you long. You You see on the resistance, you short. But that is not the only technical analysis you have to consider when you want to do the place a trade. You need to consider many aspects. Many aspects, you got to know what are the trade you're going to take, the support. What are other signs helping you to take a trade? For example, we have, this is the 20 EMA, this is the 200 EMA, this is our 150 SMA, this is the 50 SMA. So when you have all those technical analysis, which is moving averages, you have them. They may help you to take a decision. Yes, they're going to help you. Don't just take a trade because you saw them on the support, you saw this on the resistance, you jump on it. That is what I was saying, that let's say this support was above all those technical analysis. Let's say all those technical analysis we see here was below here, the support. Let me tell you, I could have seen the market, I could have seen this market way different. Yes, it could have been opposite of what I could have seen. But since I found out that we have all our technical analysis above. But what am I going short on something which I see that all our technical analysis are above? Why am I going long on it? What am I going to long it? Don't forget, on the market, they said the trend is your friend. Yes, follow the trend because the trend is your friend. Don't ever forget that. Trend is your friend. It means what? You gotta follow the trend. When you come to the chart, you gotta try to read. This is like a doctor language, a physician language. You have to learn. That is why we're spending hours and hours and hours watching the chart, because we want to learn how to read it. So when you already learn how to read a chart, it may help you to take a decision. For example, my first thing when I come to the chart is what? I need to see the patterns. That is why I go from the higher time frame to the lower one, or from the lower to the higher time frame. But I start with the high time frame, which is the daily, because that is a entry day trader. The entry day trader, okay, is the from the daily. I check the daily chart, and then I come down to the 5 minute to see the trend. What is the market? What are the markets doing? When I came here, I found out that the market was doing high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. And now, based on my data, I found out that high, 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 low usually work. Look at here, traders. Look at, for example, here. What is it giving you? If you play this one to the trend line, let's see. If you had to place the trend line here, what are you going to say here? We have high, 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 low. Still here, this trade is asking me if it's bullish. My answer is that this is not the kind of trade I'm going to take. It looks like, when we're trying to explain things here, maybe it's a little bit hard. I don't know why it's hard to understand what I'm saying. I'm saying this, Musa. I'm telling you that when the trade is moving below the technical analysis, you shouldn't think about buying. You understand? I mean, that is my point. I don't think about buying the trade unless it breaks the channel. If it break the trend line like it's breaking here, and it come above my 20 EMA, my technical analysis, then I may go long. But at this time, it hasn't break. This is the channel. the trend line, we see that lower, lower, lower high, lower, lower, lower high, lower, lower, lower high. And we're having lower high here now. We're breaking this channel. This is the channel you see. You were supposed to continue working on the channel, but it looked like we're getting out of that channel. But we need to be careful still, because we have this. We have this as well. We have this. We may see this coming here, hit here, and reverse. Because this one went up. So this is tricky. I can't go long on this kind of trade. Musa, I hope you understand me. You're watching me, because you're talking about bullishness. Bullish means what? Long. Go long. And my answer is that I can't go long in this kind of trade. I gotta look at the market on the, the trend. The trend is going down. And when the trend is going down, I need to follow the trend. The only way to trade this market is on the downside. I won't look for the upside, when the market is doing this, because it's hard to pick up the bottom and the top in Forex. I hope this will help you, So, je disais que ce genre de marché, je ne peux pas regarder vers la montée. You're going to see that you're going to do this again. But I don't want to take a trade now. I already take my trade. I want to, I'm not interested in taking another trade at this point. This is the last day and I'm not feeling good, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not feeling good. So I just came here to try to respect our program, to trade with you guys, to take some trade so that, to entertain with you. That is why I came here. And I took 4 trades at the same time, and they worked. I made money which I don't used to make on the, when I take multiple trade. But what am I keep, I gotta go keep the, how can I say, risking that money I made. I don't want to risk it again. So I think I'm fine. So I prefer to keep my gain. All those trades are on a downtrend, as you can see. That is my analysis. This is the downtrend. We're going down. So even though we're going to have a rebound, but it's hard to pick up the bottom. I don't want to take this trade for the down. I'm going to take it, for the upside. I'm going to take the trade for the downside because it's coming down, as you can see. And you're going to do that probably 80%. That is my humble viewpoint, ladies and gentlemen. So trading is about reading the chart. It's about respecting, your rules. We're here to learn, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not saying that I'm pro. I can see more than you guys. No, I'm just expressing myself, what I think. That is what I am trying to do. I'm just doing what I think. So, and as long as you're right multiple times, it will help you to keep the data, knowing what works and what doesn't, what works and what doesn't. Trader. So it's very nice to trade with you guys, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy for this day. This week, I had 4 wins from 10. From 5 days, I have 4 winning days. Things start changing. Things start moving in the right direction. Even though the trade is coming here, I may consider this trade if it come above the 20 EMA and continue. And we have 200 here. We have this. So trader, even though I see this above, it gotta be difficult to me to take this trade for long. Even though I see it coming up. Let's say I was trading. I see this trade coming up here. It gotta be difficult for me to jump on the trade. This is the only place I'm going to take this trade for long. If you break here, yes, if I break there, I take it for long. Likewise, this one, break here. On above the technical analysis, here as well. Now I'm going to show interest on trading this. That is my point. Any other question? You guys may ask question. We here every day except Friday tomorrow and Saturday. Friday we're not here because the market closed at 5. But in the future, maybe we will start trading on Friday, during the day. I don't know. And we're preparing to have a chat room because you guys see me with a delay, but we already almost have a chat room where people will join our chat room to have live session. No delay, traders. Because if you want to do serious things, we don't need delay. And that gotta be free of charge. It will be without any compensation. It's free. Our channel is free. You guys join. You guys can call your friend, your brothers, to learn how to trade. The problem is that people don't want to invest on their time, or don't want to make sacrifices in this world, the life in general. Nobody want to make sacrifices. People want to earn where they didn't sacrifice. It's natural. This is natural. That is how humans are. Imperfection make human to always earn where they don't, they don't plan anything. When we said people have to come here and learn how to trade, but people don't want to do that. And some will come. They are eager to make money. Yeah. Should not be the case. When we're coming here, we're coming to learn how to trade. Don't worry about making money, traders. Look, I'm trading just a micro lot. Micro lot that I've been trading. When I started on January, my target was just $2 a day. I went to 3, I went to 4. I keep, making my way up slowly. That gotta be your goal, trader. Don't worry about money. If you worry about money, you never learn how to trade. I've been there. All those mistakes I made. I've been trading for almost 5 years. For trading stock, and now I'm trading Forex. So I've been there. I made all the mistakes, everything in the book I made. So I'm in the right position to tell you. Yep. So trust me. When I tell you something, you gotta trust me because I've made all the mistakes you can imagine. You guys haven't even seen anything. And I bought a lot of courses. A lot. Spent a lot of money. So I'm in good position to tell you things. I have a lot of experience. A lot. Because I've seen a lot. So we opened here at 7 p.m. Eastern time every day except Thursday because I have to go to church with my family. I'm coming out, So I'm here. We need to see what to do, slowly. So that's it. Je vous remercie beaucoup. Je disais que le trading est un grand sacrifice. Vous devez sacrifier le temps, ne pas mettre l'argent devant. L'argent viendra petit à petit. Vous cherchez à connaître, à avoir ce skill, comme on dit. Voilà, le savoir. Lorsque vous l'avez déjà, vous pourriez faire tout ce que vous voulez. Trade. Ici, c'est pour apprendre à trade, c'est pas pour faire l'argent. Voilà, c'est pour faire l'argent ici. C'est ça le point. Donc, si vous avez des questions, vous pouvez les poser. More questions you guys can ask. Okay, if you guys don't have other questions, and I encourage you guys to also write your sheet. You know, if you can, much as you can, check what worked and what doesn't. Very, very important for your success. Gotta check it. You know, and trading like a business. Money management is the key. That is why you see me when I enter the trade, when the trades are moving, you know, toward me, giving money, I will keep reducing my target. I mean, not target, I keep reducing my risk. I reduce it, I reduce the risk, I reduce the risk. I keep going by reducing my risk. And when I reduce the risk, it means what? My target also diminish. Yeah, my target will diminish because I'm taking down my risk. I might take down also my target, no problem. Because you need to take 1-to-1. So when I reduce my risk, it means that my target can be reduced too. That is what I do. So, which is good. You can see that slowly we're going down, slowly, which is good. That is what I said, that taking long position in this trade is very, very difficult to me at this point because I want to follow the trend. The trend is my friend. Yes, the trend is my friend. I don't want to go against the trend. Write that one in your wall. Write it on your wall. Say the trend is your friend. You will never go against the trend. When you see a clear trend, you need to take it and follow the trend. Ladies and gentlemen. So, we are going to stop our session here at 10:30. Traders, we still have maybe 7 minutes. You guys have any question you can ask? Otherwise, we are going soon. We see how we're coming down. See, told you that lower, lower, lower high here, and lower, lower. We're getting lower, lower. Those who enter the trade here, you know, up to here, they already make the money. I just say that I don't want to take any trade anymore because I want to preserve my gain, you know, the gain I made. So I want to preserve it. It's good. It's good. So I don't want to risk that money again. That is why I didn't take any trade anymore. Because this is the last day of a week. So last day, if I make money, why am I going to risk that money again? And I'm not feeling good, but so it's my luck. So I preserve that money. I don't want to risk again. Here also were significant. We saw a change of direction at this point here as well. Change of direction, because there is also something we have to notice when we see a candlestick patterns. It's also very, very important to consider it. We're having a downtrend, but we see some kind of candlestick come here. Like here, we see we had, you know, candlestick pattern we had it here. We came on the red. Now we rejected. We placed a candlestick patterns, which is what? Dirty, money star, something like that, and now we return now green. Likewise here we place the red candle and we came here, we place the dirty, and now we change. We did the same here. We place now the dirty, and we change. So we notice here that when this appear, it means change of direction. It's a possibility now that when we have this, it's very probably obvious that we might have a change of direction. But like here, we're going an uptrend a little bit slowly, which is not bad, traders. So it's important always to follow all those signs in the market, especially when you have the go back to the trend or the trend line and check how the pair were reacting when they had those dirty. You see a reaction. If you feel that third, fourth times behind the respected, now you can apply it here again, because if they already respect 4 times, it means that the next one you're probably going to respect it. Yep. Because the data show you that they already respect. Okay, let's see here what I'm saying. Let's see this one. This guy came here, and now he went down. He placed this dirty, green dirty, which is like a money star. Now you see the change of direction. He did here again. He started coming down. He placed it, change of direction. He came here. Now he start here, place it, trying to go up. He reject, double tap, and now he place it, change of direction. And now he did it here again. We already have 1, 2, 3. So if you already have 3 times change of direction, probably the 4th one might work. As you can see here, he did here. Now it start changing direction. But people may, long this trade here, and play the stop below. It's possible because you already see a change of direction here. It's a possibility. But for me, I will wait for confirmation. But confirmation is what? I have 2 confirmation. The first one is above this 20 EMA. And the second one is above 150. All those things analysis. That is my second confirmation. I'll wait them. I'll wait for them to go long. Because I'm scared about what may happen. So that's it. People, as I said, many people will go long and play the stop here, which is not bad. It's good. Maybe if I was still trading, seeing the stop is close, probably a good idea to place the stop here and just try for long, because you see this dirty. That is what I told you, trader. You need data. You need a reason why you're doing something. You can explain. If they ask you, why did you take this trade below the technical analysis? You say no, because you see this I've done 3 times here. This is the 4th time. So that is why, because it's heavy. 3 times did the same. So now that's the 4th one. So I trust that 3 times that being below the technical analysis. And I want to wait it when it go above the 20 EMA, I'm going to go long. Like here, you're already above the 20 EMA. So this trade is already positioning for the long. But very risky. Very risky, traders. Because can reverse here anytime. Anyway, traders, this is where we're going to stop for today. I thank you so much for those who tune in with us. I saw you guys, and I'm very grateful with let's say Musa for your questions, and hope to see you on Sunday around 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you. Mesdames et messieurs, nous vous remercions beaucoup pour ceux qui ont participé. Nous allons nous revoir dimanche à 19h temps de New York. Au revoir.